Today, I am going to teach you how to create the satisfying marble music videos that have recently been going viral on TikTok. This account, for example, has gained over 50 million views while on the creator program and could have potentially made up to $25,000. So let's get into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to head onto the App Store and download an app called Beat Bounce. I will leave a link in the description. Once installed, open up the app and play through the tutorial to gain access to the menu. When opening the app, you will see that there are levels that you can play through. This is not where we'll be making the videos, but you need to complete at least one level to gain access to the level editor. Once the level is completed, set your username and head over to user levels at the bottom of the screen. Here you will find a range of pre-made levels that you can record straight away. Let's take a look at one. You will notice that before you start the game, you will have some options at the top. When recording a video, you need to turn autoplay off. This will remove the game functionality and allow you to only record the animation. Now you can preview the melody and decide if you want to use it in your video. The second option is to create your own animation with your own music. You can either choose from a sample or upload your own MIDI files. I will also include some free websites where you can find MIDI files for popular songs in the description. Once you have uploaded your MIDI file and tweaked the settings, you will be directed to the world editor. It's best to play around with the editor to familiarize yourself to get used to creating your maps. At the top of the screen, you can also change the lighting, colors, and background. If you would like to see a full video on map creation, please comment below. Now that you have either found a song you like or have made your own, you are ready to record. To record, all you need to do again is launch the selection, ensure it's in autoplay mode, use screen record on your phone and begin the animation. Wait until the animation finishes and you're ready to add the video into CapCut. Now, open up CapCut. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a link in the bio. Trim down either end of the video and add a watermark. Make sure to reduce the opacity so it doesn't stand out. And that's the video completed. For any advice on channel creation, hashtags, captions, and more, join our free Discord community and help us hit 2K members this month. I add a ton of free information and I'm always helping people out. We also add a lot more niches in there and some premium ones too, with members making over $2,000 in less than a month. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe for more niche tutorials.